Just a quick little tip video for today. Over the summer and until recently, there was a feature under the adjustments menu. If you applied like Gaussian blur or motion blur, any of these effects, and you tapped it, it would say layer or pencil. And if you hit layer, it would apply the effect to the entire layer. If you hit pencil, you would use your Apple Pencil and you could draw the effect into select areas. When Procreate updated recently, I think it was with 5.2, those options disappeared when you hit adjustments. But I just found out recently that those options are still there. When you tap an effect at the top where it says motion blur, and you would drag it left or right and the percent would change. There's also a little drop down menu now, that little tiny arrow next to the name, and then layer comes up, or pencil, and you can hit pencil and then apply the effect to wherever you're drawing on your screen with your pencil, or you can still choose to do it as an entire layer. So that's a quick little tip. Hope it was helpful for you. Thanks for liking this video, subscribing, ringing that bell, and I'll see you next time.